When you see this image, what comes to mind? If you're thinking about the infusion room, you guessed right. While the hospital is always unpredictable, there are some things in the infusion room that are always certain. Appointments take up a lot of time, you're often short on resources, you're always out of space, and it's hard to follow the schedule. But what if we could help shave off some time? When patients come in for Herceptin, that automatically equates to a 45 to 60-minute slot on the schedule. In some situations, that might mean you lose a slot for an additional patient. Or worst case scenario, somebody runs into overtime and patients will be outside waiting. It's not a win-win situation. And that's unavoidable. The pharmacist needs to reconstitute the drug, the nurse needs to screen the patient and cannulate them before the infusion, and the overall infusion takes at least 30 minutes. So, how can we help? In 2013, Roche introduced Herceptin subcutaneous. With comparable efficacy and safety profiles, Herceptin SC carries on its legacy while improving the lives of patients and healthcare professionals altogether. With a fixed dose for all patients, Herceptin SC cuts down a lot of time for your pharmacist, eliminates the IV process, and shortens administration time to 5 minutes or less. The active chair time in the infusion room is down to 20 minutes. That 66% in time savings will be evident on your schedule, so both your staff and patients can get closer to their appointments. With Herceptin SC, scheduling can now be more flexible. Nurses will have more time to focus on other tasks, like caring for high-dependency patients. Pharmacists have one less drug to worry about. Less medical resources are consumed. Trastuzumab isn't wasted from dose adjustments. And Herceptin SC costs 14% less than the original formulation. But above all else, 9 out of 10 patients prefer Herceptin SC. And it's no surprise why, especially if getting a dose of Herceptin can be as quick as the time you took to watch this video. Kindly consider making the switch to Herceptin SC. Herceptin SC, all the benefits of Herceptin now in a faster format.